The part 3 is here of animal kingdom. So today we will discuss about phylum Platyhelminthe, phylum Aschelminthes and phylum Annelida. So here we go. Now we talk about phylum Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat, helminth means worm or flat worm. So first point, we all know that habit and habitat. So habit and habitat, they are basically aquatic. They lives in the water, aquatic and terrestrial also. Then the body wall, they show the first triploblastic animal, the first mesoderm between ectoderm and endoderm, and they show the organ system organization. Then the digestive system. So the digestive system is occurring by mouth and gastrovascular cavity, but the anus is absent. Then the circulatory system, respiratory system is absent, and the gas exchange by diffusion. The excretory system. Some platyhelminths show protonephrida. They excrete their body. Excrete from their body is osmoregulation, but mainly by diffusion. Then the nervous system. We show the nerve nets through longitudinal fibers. And the reproduction, they reproduce themselves by they basically hermaphrodite, or their sexes are separate, male and female. Their sperms are filiform or thread-like, and the development is direct and very elaborate. The cleavage through which the zygote becomes adult is spiral. Some examples of platyhelminthes are tapeworm or Tinea sp and Fasciola sp, which is liver fluke. The next phylum is Aschelminthes. It also known as Nematoda also. The asch is called round in Latin literature, and the helminth is worm. So the general characteristics of Aschelminthes, we called it Aschelminthes. First is body form. They are slender, elongated, cylindrical and tapering. The body symmetry. They show the vermiform body and bilateral symmetry. The body wall. It is without circular muscles, longitudinal fibers located in the forezone, ventral, lateral to dorsal. Then the caudal gland. It is a special gland in Aschelminthes. It is also known as spinneret. It helps in the temporary attachment with the host body. Its tail anchored with retreat movement. The body cavity. It shows the pseudocylum it derived from blastocyst. The next point is digestive system. It shows the opening mouth, then it becomes go through the muscular gut, then muscular pharynx, and lastly anus. Subdermal anus. Teeth present. Excretory system. Without phlegm cells or nephridium, there is no phlegm cells or nephridium. And some excretory cells, which known as ventral cell, and some excretory gland. Or in some Aschelminthes, both are present. The next point is nervous system. Nervous system, brain as present as circumpharyngeal nerve and dorsal lateral ventral nerve cord. Sex is dioecious, and in some Ascalminthes they are hermaphrodite also. The reproduction. Males basically smaller than females, and the posterior end of male Ascalminthe is curved like a hook. This is a distinguishing feature of male and female. In the female, the posterior end is blunt. The next point is fertilization. The fertilization is internal in the female body. The cleavage is determinate. T-shaped arrangement of cells shown in the 4 cell stage. And the development. Development is direct. Parasitic forms, larva may form in the infective stage. The example of Ascalminthes is Ascaris, which is roundworm, the Wuchereria bank of tea, which is filaria worm, and the Ancylostoma, the hookworm. You have to underline the scientific names. So now we talk about phylum Annelida. Phylum Annelida is based on the worms. Many type of worms are here. They show the segmentation, mathematical segmentation. There is a new word which is segmentation, which is called that body divide into a similar parts, a small similar parts, and they associate together to form many body functions. This is called segmentation. But first we talk about the body symmetry. The body symmetry is the body is vermiform and bilaterally symmetrical. The next point is body segmentation. They show mainly mathematic segmentation, and the segmentation is lined by the anterior to posterior axis. The third point is body cavity. They show the true coelom, and that is lined by the coelomic epidermal. Then the fourth point is body wall. The body wall, the body covered by a cuticle layer. You know about cuticle. The cuticle is a outer layering of many plants also. But the in phylum Annelida, the outer body part of the worms is covered by cuticle, and there is a presence of epidermal bristles or seta. You know that there is a new term is seta. You know it in the further studies. Then we go to the fifth point is digestive system. Digestive system is mouth, muscular gut, and anus. The 3 parts are present and line anterior to posterior part. Then the excretory system. They show the metamerically arranged a pair of coiled parts. Metamerically arranged a pair of coiled parts, which is called nephridia. Yes, nephridia is a main excretory organ in this phylum. Then the nervous system. The nervous system of the phylum Annelida consists of pre-segmentation So, the next point is development. Development in the phylum Annelida, they develop in marine forms, and sometimes they develop from via a free-living trochophore larva. So, let's come to the example. First, Nereis, then Pheretima, we know it as earthworm. Then Hirudinaria, we know it as blood-sucking leech. So, you have to underline the scientific names. That was it, guys. So, if you like this video, then please like it, share it with your friend and family, and subscribe to SS Tutorial for further notification. And if you have any doubt in the video, you can put it down in the comment section.